back. Let's look at the COVID situation in Punjab now, where new curbs have come again. 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. is the night curfew that has been imposed. All educational institutions, including schools, colleges, universities, coachings, etc., have been closed. They are to operate online now. However, medical and nursing colleges may continue to function normally, or bars, cinema halls, multiplexes, restaurants, spas, museums, zoos, etc. shall be allowed to operate at 50% capacity now, subject to staff being fully vaccinated. All sports complexes, stadia, swimming pools, gyms shall remain closed, except those which are used for training of sports persons, in particular national, international sports events over there. And no spectators or visitors will be allowed. AC buses also to operate with 50% capacity, and only fully vaccinated staff will be allowed to attend government as well as private offices, working spaces, factories and industries. This have come after schools and colleges in Punjab actually turned into hotspots. If you look at the next story there, where a medical college, 100 students in a government medical college in Patiala tested positive on Monday, and that's when a meeting was called, an emergency meeting, now taking a call to shut down all these schools and colleges and operate remotely, not the medical ones though. Also, 93 students earlier had tested positive at Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology in Patiala, which has already become a cluster of COVID-19.
100 के करीब जो है वहाँ पे जो रिपोर्ट आ रही है कि बच्चे जो है वो कोरोना पॉजिटिव हो गए हैं, और वहाँ पे 1000 के करीब हमारे पास बच्चा है जिसको हम हॉस्टल खाली करा के शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं। सिचुएशन अंडर कंट्रोल है, और सभी हमने मेडिकल एक्सपर्ट को, डॉक्टर्स को, टीमों को वहां लगा दिया गया है, और सभी के टेस्ट किए जा रहे हैं।
There are teenagers who have tested positive. One video of that college also went viral. That New Year celebrations or party was going on, and later these students were tested positive. Though the college authorities deny that they had no role in organizing that party or something, but what has come off yesterday is the government medical college and its hostel students who have tested positive, and many of them are resident doctors there. So that is a big cause of worry, because Patiala anyway is reporting higher number of cases, maximum number of cases in Punjab, and its own health team or the health department is facing all these issues that even doctors are testing positive. So it is testing you can see the health team is also under test due to the rising number of cases, with their own doctors testing positive. Now, besides all this, if you see, the political rallies are going on. The government has come out with this instruction that only those who are fully vaccinated will have access to public space. But in any road show or public rallies, there is no such checks. The government, the Congress party in power, be it Akali Dal, be it Aam Aadmi Party, the BJP is going to hold, the Prime Minister is going to hold a rally tomorrow in Firozpur. Big preparations are going on. So there is no such check in Punjab over who is moving where without any protection or with face mask on or not, because instructions are passed on, but cases are rapidly rising in Punjab. The data suggests that in the last 1 week, the cases have shot like 5 to 6 times, but the testing data also suggests that the testing figures have gone down. That is another cause of worry for Punjab, and the Chief Minister, Mr. Charanjit Singh Channi, is expected to hold emergency meeting over the issue to sort of take stock of the situation, that what more can be done, whether some curbs will be seriously implemented in Punjab, that needs to be seen.